It's the video.
All right, so pretty much what we're doing today is the other day my girlfriend and I were going out for dinner, and we put in the wrong address, but then we ended up at this like super cool harbor. And when we were there, I was like, this looks pretty sick. It would be a cool place. Thanks, motorcycle. This would be a pretty sick place to go longboarding. So hit up the homie James, and we're gonna go there and see what it's like. So let's go.
Think I'm gonna quit my job and get fucked up. I tried a 9 to 5 and I made $5. I might as well just take the whole year off. I'd rather live my dreams, cause real life sucks. I wonder where I've been all my life. I started at the end, waiting tables, waiting for something to change, but I can't do this shit again. Think I'm gonna quit my job and get fucked up. I tried a 9 to 5 and I made $5. I might as well just take the whole year off. I'd rather live my dreams, cause real life sucks. I'm gonna quit my job and try my luck. I bet my high school friends gonna hate my guts when I leave this town and they all get stuck. I'd rather live my dreams, cause real life sucks. Tell me that I'm stubborn, it's better than being crazy. They say grab a couple shifts, I said fuck you, you couldn't make me. If I'm gonna sell my soul, then somebody better pay me. If I end up going broke, it's better than dying daily, yeah. I'll break before I bend, and I won't do that shit again. Think I'm gonna quit my job and get fucked up. I tried a 9 to 5 and I made $5. I might as well just take the whole year off. I'd rather live my dreams, cause real life sucks. I'm gonna quit my job and try my luck. I bet my high school friends gonna hate my guts when I leave this town and they all get stuck. I'd rather live my dreams, cause real life sucks. I'm gonna quit my job and get fucked up. I tried a 9 to 5 and I made $5. I might as well just take the whole year off. I'd rather live my dreams, cause real life sucks.
Little shred sesh.
You know.
That was probably one of the coolest. I'm gonna put it out there. I think that was one of the coolest longboarding spots in Canada.
That was dope.
Definitely check out this spot. We'll see what's going on. Thanks for watching. I'm not gonna outro this because cringe. So okay.